Welcome to Joy Adventures. On this video I'm going to be showing you how I painted this 4th of July or Independence Day Ladybug. I hope you like this video. I'm going to put the titles of the paints that I use and brushes, and at the end I'm going to put the resin that I use as well. To start, I painted the head of the ladybug with black paint, and then I did the blue on the center and the red wings on the side. I let it dry for about 20 minutes and I painted the second coat of all the paints. If you have any questions or suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. If you like the content of this channel or you want to see future videos like this one, subscribe and activate the bell so you can get announcements of my next video. On one of my videos that I did on the jellyfish, I'm going to leave the description right here on the right top corner. I had someone reply to me on Facebook that this was not a beginner's painting. I want to know if you think my paintings are for beginners or not. I try to make it as simple as I can. And one thing though, if you want to start painting rocks, don't expect to do everything perfect at the beginning, because as more painting you do, the more practice you will get. And you will get tips that no one tells you on the videos that you can only learn when you are actually doing it. And everybody has a different style depending on the paints, on the brushes that you use and the surface of the rock. But one thing I can tell you is that if you set your mind to do it, maybe, as I said before, you will not come up with the rock as you expected, but if you do it once or twice or 3 times, I guarantee you that you will do it. If these videos are too fast for you or too slow, let me know. I want to know your input so I can bring more videos that you guys want and the way that you liked it. I always try to do it fast forward so I won't take too much time. This is just a basic idea on how to paint the rocks. You can do your own design, your own colors, but if you want to do exactly like my design, please feel free to do it. The only thing I ask, if you give me credit, you don't have to, but it will be really nice. And actually, from all these videos, I had one person that told me that they have done this rock, and I asked them to post a picture on Facebook, but they didn't have Facebook. So I want to know, if you do these rocks, please let me know. That encourages me to make more videos like this, and it gives me satisfaction knowing that someone is doing my rocks, not because I want to get credit for it, but just as an inspiration. So please, if you do these rocks or you want to start doing them, don't hesitate to do it. You can do it. You just have to set your mind to it and actually do it. Going back to the rock, I use this gold paint to define the lines of the ladybug. I'm gonna leave the descriptions of all the things that I use for this tutorial and for many of my other tutorials that I have. I have included some items that I use for my recipes. I like to bake as well. I like to do cookies, cakes, just sweets. This is the finished product. It looks so shiny and beautiful with the coat of the resin. I hope you like this video, and I also hope that I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.